Good old Cabbage Patch Pass. Deadman Pass. Welcome to Oregon, people. Yes, it's real. And just 35 seconds ago, coming into the pass, it's broad daylight outside. The sun was just there. I promise you, there's no exaggeration. The sun just existed 35 seconds ago. I just almost killed myself just to get the camera set up so y'all can see this. This is a real place. If any of y'all ever played Super Mario Kart, and there's some other games and TV shows for kids that showcase Cabbage Patch Pass, this is where they came up with it. This is what they're emulating. Deadman Pass, I-84. I'm going west to Portland. And this is crazy. Oh my God, look how that is dangerous. Oh my goodness. These guys. Wow, visibility is, oh, that's dangerous. That's crazy. I'm doing 50 miles per hour. They're doing like 20. They don't have their flashers on or nothing. Could have just totally rear-ended that whole situation there. Crazy. But yeah, in the video game, this is the road that they made Cabbage Patch Pass after Deadman Pass. I'm on I-84. I'm going west to Portland, but it's both directions, east and west. But like I said, just about 5 miles back, visibility was clear as day. Sunlight, broad daylight, roads are clear, no snow, no rain, nothing. Roads are clear, and then as soon as you enter the pass, this is what you get. Right here. I don't know how many incidents had to happen before they named this pass Deadman Pass. I don't know the history behind it, but I know that this is what it looks like for a good portion of the winter season. And over here, winter lasts 5 or 6 months. So now we're down from the pass. We're through the pass now. But as you see, it's still pretty dense. The fog, that is. But we're through the dangerous part, which is the actual downgrade, the actual pass. That's the dangerous part of it, because it's very hard to manage your speed, control your speed coming down there. And an inexperienced driver would absolutely be scared to death if they encountered that. Good thing for us, the roads are not as congested right now. Grateful for that. And I got a little bit of experience. So I know a thing or two about how to handle myself coming down there. I don't know where the sun just went. The shit is gone now. Totally gone on this side of the mountain. There's no more sun. It's nighttime over here. That's crazy. It's only 4 o'clock. The sun just disappeared. Oh, man. All right, just wanted y'all to see that. I got about 3 more hours to Portland. Yo, that's crazy. All right, Mr. Truckin and Lovin, Larry Love. Good day, people.